Trump's threat to BRICS. Is India ready to lead a global power shift? Say goodbye to the US economy, warns Trump. Before even taken office, Donald Trump fired shots at BRICS nations, demanding they scrap plans for a new currency to rival the US dollar. We require a commitment or they will face 100% tariffs, he declared, warning Trump to say goodbye to the wonderful US economy. But here's the real question. Can the US, drowning in debt and trade deficits, afford to threaten BRICS? A group India is proudly a part of. BRIC, India's moment in the global spotlight. The 9 BRICS economies, including India, China and Brazil, aren't just growing, they have already surpassed the G7 nations in economic clout. BRICS contributed 38.8% of the global GDP in 2023 compared to the G7's dwindling 29.5%. India is a shining star in this story. 7.9% of the global GDP comes from India alone. With its young workforce, tech-savvy population and booming economy, India is becoming the face of the BRICS revolution. So when Trump threatens BRICS, he is also challenging India's emergence as a global powerhouse. How should we respond? Can the US afford to alienate India and BRICS? The irony of Trump's threats is clear. The US needs BRICS more than BRICS needs the US. In 2023, the US had a $307 billion trade deficit with BRICS nations, including India. Imposing 100% tariffs would only double this deficit to $600 billion, further weakening the US economy. And let's not forget, India is a major player in US trade, driving exports in IT services, pharmaceuticals, and consumer goods. Wouldn't isolating India hurt the US more than it helps? From followers to leaders, India's journey in BRICS. For years, India was seen as a developing country overshadowed by Western nations, but today the tables have turned. BRICS, once dismissed as a club of developing nations, is now rewriting the global power playbook. Consider this. 2 decades ago, the G7 dominated 47.8% of the global economy, while BRICS barely made up 18.2%. Today, G7 has shrunk to 29.5%, while BRICS had surged ahead to 35.8%. And at the center of this transformation is India, proving that its time as a global leader is now. The US dollar versus the new BRICS currency, who wins? Trump's fear for a BRICS-backed currency speaks volume. For decades, the US dollar has been the world's undisputed reserve currency. But what if BRICS challenges its dominance? Imagine the power India could wield if the rupee becomes a major player in global trade thanks to BRICS. Are we on the brink of a financial revolution led by India? Is India ready to lead the global south? The fading dominance of the G7 isn't just an economic story, it's a political one. BRICS is more than just an economic alliance. It's a voice for the global south, standing up to Western dominance. As BRICS pushes back against the US and its outdated threats, India has a golden opportunity to step into a leadership role. This is our chance to drive conversations on global trade and currency reform, strengthen alliance with the like-minded nations like Brazil, South Africa, and China, solidified our position as a superpower in the making. Is Trump's threat a wake-up call for India? Trump's ultimatum isn't just about tariffs or trade. It's about maintaining the status quo where the US calls the shots. But India and BRICS have shown that the days of Western dominance are numbered. So the question isn't whether India will rise, it's whether we are ready to seize this moment. Will India lead the charge in challenging the US dollar? Can we take this opportunity to establish the rupee as a global currency? Are we prepared to become the face of the multipolar world? India's time is now. Let Trump make his threats. We have the power, the numbers, and the vision to change the game. The future isn't American, it's Indian. But are we ready to claim it?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News, news that reveal the truth. And visit our website www.topstoriesworld.com.